Okay, back to business with Federico today. Where are we, Federico? How's your English today?
No, parliamo italiano.
No, where are we?
Allora, now in Casola.
Very good. It's very close to Aula, close to Vivizzano. It's in a very nice location.
2-bedroom, living room with a fireplace.
Okay.
Big kitchen for lunch
Or breakfast.
or dinner. 2 bathroom. Good garden for barbecue,
cool. Okay.
for relax.
How much is this?
120,000.
Very good. You
Wow.
did it perfectly. So full disclosure, we got here and someone else was showing the house and he completely freaked out.
Buongiorno. Oh, incredibile. Incredibile.
He's pissed, okay? I like it when he gets pissed. Tell him to relax because he's constantly saying the word relax. I'm like, relax, you relax, Federico.
Tranquillo. Cellar for wine.
Wow, this is full of stuff. Oh, yeah, the light works really well in here. No light. So this is a wine cellar. It's really not a wine cellar. It's really like you put all your storage and stuff here, and which is great to have. So very good. And it's a nice size. Alrighty then. Okay. My lilies did not bloom this year. I don't know what's going on with my lilies. They're weird.
Olive, good.
Yes, they have olive. I mean, you can brine them. There's not much that you can do with them.
Rosmarino. Kiwi.
Yeah, I like kiwis. I came on vacation with my kids to Santa Margarita a lot. And they grew kiwis, and I didn't realize this is how kiwis grew. So at my house, I planted kiwis when I went home. And we had kiwis. It was very cool, actually.
Questo c'è invece una sherry.
Okay, so we
C'è
have...
ciliegia. Amarena.
Oh, cherry. Yeah, I
Amarena.
know which Amarena cherries. Fantastic. We use them in our cheesecake recipe at La Forteza. Just click on the link below and you can watch our Amarena cherry cheesecake recipe on La Forteza Kitchen channel.
Ok, 2 doors.
2 doors. Thanks. Thanks, Captain Obvious. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, this is nice. This is a nice house. It's lovely, actually. It's quite lovely. You know, I mean, obviously you can redo the fireplace if this is not your jam, but it is kind of nice to look out and you see the village, but sort of not. You see the olive tree. I kind of love that. I mean, I'd probably redo the floors, but it's not an emergency. These doors are quite nice. They're new and they work well. It is move-in ready, which is really nice. You can just move in, slowly renovate. This doesn't need any renovation at all. I mean, this is move in. I mean, I hate the light fixtures. You know, there are things that I would immediately rip out because I couldn't live with them. And I think you could do it yourself. E questo qua? What is this back
C'è
there?
un bagno.
Oh, there's a bathroom. Yeah, it's actually quite nice, you know. This could be a laundry room if you wanted it to be. I think it's cute. I think it's great. I mean, I think it's a great house. I think for the money, it's great. I mean, I think it's a buy it, move in, and slowly make it your own kind of house, right? Kitchen is a great size, views are nice. It's pretty.
Camino good.
Yeah, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. You know, I think if you get rid of a lot of this furniture, well, the artwork's not great in here. So I think just taking it off the walls would help tremendously. But I think it's functional. I think it's clean. It's nice. What is the sound that we're hearing?
It's trucks trying to get past each other.
No.
It's entertainment out the window.
Is it really loud out there, you think?
It's just a big truck stalled out by the parking lot.
Well, that's something to think about, though. Okay. There's a nice breeze in here, I will say. Yeah, artwork's gotta go, man. Gotta go. Very poorly decorated. Oh, wow.
Ok.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I think, get rid of half. Throw everything out and keep the house. I would get rid of every single thing in here. Everything. Just strip it bare. But the floor plan's good. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. I mean, it's ideal for a vacation house because you're sort of located where I am, so you're very near the sea. You're also near Parma. You're also near Florence. You know, you're not that far away. Such a great location, Lunigiana, because it's so near everything. No one lives here, and then you live here and you realize, oh, don't mind the trucks behind me. He's freaking out. It's great. It's so equidistant to all these cool places. Genova, it's not far from Milan, it's not far. Give it up, it's okay.
No, si è fermato
No,
un
it's real.
camion
This
proprio
is,
lì. Ora è
yeah, it's
andato
real
via.
life. This is real life. We're depicting, this is a reality show. And right now, there's a truck stuck out there.
No, perché si è fermato un camion lì. Adesso riapro la finestra, non sentiamo più niente.
You don't hear anything?
Well, they're gone now.
I heard a lot of things.
Incredibile. Si è fermato proprio lì a farci apposta.
That's bullshit. Those windows do not do that, okay? Honestly, Federico. So I think this is, you know, I mean, there's some things obviously, you know, I'm looking at would rip out, but what are you showing us here? Why are we coming in here with you? What's happening?
Okay.
Oh, there's a balcony, great. And now the bells are ringing.
È nice.
Oh, this is nice.
Window, no problem. Wow, fantastico.
This is lovely. I mean, you're looking at a parking lot, let's be real, but yeah, I mean, it's Italian village life. It's very, you know, it's cute. I like it. I like this house.
Picture.
Are we wrapping up now?
You haven't seen the other
We
one?
gone together over
Yeah.
over here?
There's more rooms?
One more.
Oh, just one more, okay. You know what though? It has a lovely view, big windows. I mean, I really hate these brass windows. I had them in my house in Alassio. I lived in a convent and the nuns put this in. But these are down the line. They work fine, you know. I think just to move in, it's great. I mean, one of the things this house is lacking is sort of charm, but it makes up for in sort of utility. You know, it's like, it works. I don't think this is so charming, do you?
No. But it's a great starter home.
It is a great
Vacation
starter home.
home.
It is. It's a great vacation home. I think this bathroom's okay. I mean, I think that
Bagno non era tanto che l'avevano rifatto.
the bathroom's okay, but you know, this is really easily retrofitted. Italians do bathrooms great. And same with the kitchen downstairs. I mean, you go to a really cool, groovy shop. I mean, I don't think it would cost a lot to make this house cool. I think this house could be cool I mean, you know, I always want things to be cool and pretty and visual, so I don't think it would cost a lot. You know, the stairs are nice, right? You're not gonna kill yourself on them, which is a plus, because usually we feel like we're gonna die on stairs. Death stairs. I mean, the furnishings are really horrible, so they really have to go away. Actually, that orange table is kind of cute.
Oh, here we go.
Questo.
Oh, yeah, keep that. That's the one thing you want with the house, right
Wow.
there. I would keep that,
Buy it
right?
for that.
And maybe that oil
Maybe
thing.
just reupholster that very odd shape.
Have a seat. Outro there.
Come here.
Grazie.
No problem. I think we should relax.
Ah,
Relax.
relax. Relax in the
So I
home.
think that you should relax.
Ah, wow.
You say relax all the time, but I think you should take that in. This is a great house for 120,000 euro or best offer. And you're living in the middle of a really cute village.
Incredibile.
2 bedrooms,
Questa è la corriera.
lots of trucks. We'll start over again. That's really funny. If you've made it this far, I hope you've enjoyed this great house for 120,000 euros. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a really big kitchen, a really pretty living room where we're sitting right now and relaxing, and a great view out the windows. And also you're in a really pretty part of the Lunigiana,
Nice, Lunigiana.
the nice Lunigiana.
Sharp.
What?
Sharp.
Sharp? Oh, charm.
Charm.
Charm. Whatever he just said. So if you made it this far, relax. And don't forget to like and,
Subscribe.
there we go. Okay. And we'll see you at the next location. I like the house.
Yeah, I know. I just want to.
I like the house. I like the house. I like the house. I like the house.
okay.
2 thumbs up to this freaking house. I like the house. I mean, Michael is like berating me about like saying I like it. I think you can move in and it's good. I like the house. Jesus Christ.
It's okay. You don't have to like it.
Okay, we're done.